Oh, Claire.
What?
I wanted to pick your brain, too, about the south of France.
Oh, yeah. Will
you been?
Yes. Like, we've talked about it like 8 times.
Oh. So we left off, it was about 2.5 weeks ago. That was a weird day.
Much better vibes today. I mean, thank God we work in a test kitchen, you know?
Exactly.
Because it did not work.
Well, things go wrong, is what happens.
Even though it worked 3 times before that.
I'm not quite sure, other than maybe lack of time proofing in the first.
Can I tell you what I think was the problem?
Yeah.
I think that was part of it.
The first proof.
Under fermented. Then I think also in our attempt to eliminate single-use plastic, which is admirable, we covered it with towels, and I think what happened was...
Skinned.
It dried out on the outside, and then it overproofed in the interior. The whole thing, I think, was just thrown off by that different variable.
So I made some new doughs. I got them already cut, ready to go. I got our toppings laid out that we were ready to...
And you just did the exact same thing.
Exact same thing. Mm-hmm. Except for the plastic over it.
Right.
But it just felt better. The whole process felt better.
Yeah.
That said, we're in a good spot. I got the oil on.
Okay.
Let's say we fry a couple of these, huh?
So this is how you can tell a proof dough, and that means that the gluten has had a chance to relax. And so you poke it, and it springs back most of the way, but leaves a small indentation. So this is looking...
Oh, this one looks better even.
It's looking real good. I like to do it on parchment paper, and you go straight into the oil
I've been
on
going
the parchment.
like that and then flipping.
And then you just peel the parchment right off.
And sometimes you just got to give it a little bounce. It should float like that.
Yeah, so immediately all that gas is going to make it float to the surface. So I like to put it in just like that. Very nice.
And then I use these like little skewer chopsticky kind of, chopsticks work great.
Yeah.
You don't have to just flip it once. You can kind of move them around a little bit.
Oh, I love watching them fry. They look so good.
Look at that. Check the flip. Boom. Look like bagels.
Ooh, but like look how much they puff up.
Yeah, it works.
That I think it's gonna get that nice ring.
Remember last time they were sinking to the bottom and they were just and burning.
Staying there.
And burning.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's talk about the failure for a minute last time, which is a natural part, especially fermentation. Everything can be pretty fickle.
Right.
And things happen.
And there's so many variables, and you can't perfectly control for all of them. Ooh, they look so good. I still don't think I'm as excited as Chris Morocco to eat a donut, though.
Oh, I can't wait. I've never been happier to feed Chris Morocco. Yeah. Oh, you got donuts for days, bud.
Look at how buoyant. So, okay, see how this one is so airy that it's like more out of the oil than in? That's a sign of a well-proofed. So there's a little ring around the middle, and that is what you're looking for. So that means it's well-proofed. So.
Oh, this makes me feel good, Claire. I gotta tell you, I've been so bummed out about this. I had to bring the starter home, feed him over the weekend. I went to a wedding. I was worrying.
These guys are looking done, Brad.
Great. Oh, now when it's hot is when we should put certain toppings.
Yeah. So
can
I take them out of the oil?
Yeah.
So we're taking them out when they have a really nice golden color. Brad, that's 350 degrees.
I'm excited. Okay. So here we have just cinnamon and sugar. Nice.
Oh, they look so good.
This one is my
excited.
favorite little cocktail I made. Sugar, cocoa powder, cocoa rouge, a little bit of espresso powder, and a little bit of cinnamon. Woo.
Hansi, when you're done with that, can I show you this real quick? This one has a real nice ring around the equator. That's exactly what you're looking for. You see at like classic donut shops.
Yeah.
They have that pale ring around the edge. So this is looking ideal. Oh my God, those look so good.
Woo! I am so excited.
Me too.
We gotta keep a couple playing too.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that, Claire! Son of a bitch, this is working out. It was going to crush me if it didn't work today.
Yeah.
So this one, little wild card, I'm pretty excited about. It's honey, thinned out with a little apple cider vinegar, a little zing zang. Little honey glaze, little honey vinegar glaze. Come on. You kidding me?
If you make this at home, be careful when you put them in on the parchment that you don't also dip your fingertips in the hot oil, which I have done before.
No, it feels good. Oh, they're delicate and delightful. Look at that. That's like a movie donut.
You know what we did not do?
What?
Make the glaze again. The vanilla bean powdered sugar glaze.
Well, you know what? We're not gonna.
That's fine.
What do you want on these two?
The chocolate, baby.
Let's do one more honey glaze.
Okay, why don't you just decide?
Mm.
That's very Brad. As long as it's what you want,
Maybe
then
next
it's
time.
great.
Yeah. It remind me of like a chocolate eclair.
All right, I turn the heat up a little bit.
Ooh, a chocolate eclair. This one's for you, chocolate eclair. Terrible.
I don't even get it.
Chris got it. He's a dad.
All right, I'm gonna drop a couple more.
Yeah.
Keep them coming.
Oh, donut
you know?
shop's open. You want in on this chocolate dip, bud?
Wait, Brad, what about the sprinkles?
Oh, look, that comes out so good.
Yeah, it looks amazing. Like they're
Those
not
two
too
look
big.
stupid perfect.
Yeah.
Morocco, these look so f***ing good. Just get ready. Like, go get a pour over going. Little natural process pour over, get Morocco all excited. Single origin.
I love the ring. Look at the ring. It's got the ring. Oh, that looks so good. Perfect.
What? Help with what? Oh, there you go,
Here,
bud.
Brad, you want to switch jobs for a little bit?
Yeah.
Have you done any maple or no?
No maple yet.
All right, let's do some of those.
And see if we can get another pretty chocolate.
Okay.
That's the maple. Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Ooh.
nice dippage. That last one I should just f***ing throw away.
Here, can I try to scrape it off? Should we just eat it?
Throw it.
Should we just eat it?
Yeah, take a bite.
I have not eaten anything today except for homemade.
And sourdoughnuts.
Such good texture. Like, look at the inside of that right there. It's really good. I actually think I'm going to prefer a non-chocolate glaze because it's a kind of overpowering. Like, the flavor is kind of delicate, but it's so good.
That's what you mean. It's like,
It's a little overpowering.
I mean, it's very good.
I'm really excited to try the maple. Ow, it's so hot. Ow!
So hot.
They're so light.
They're so light, right?
I love their like little bobbing apples. Look at the text Brad sent me.
It's working. Am I gonna get one? Can I just have a plain one?
Are you
Yeah.
gonna get one, Chris? What are we gonna do with
I
all
don't
these?
mean, like, am I gonna get one at 4 o'clock after everyone else has had their fun with them?
No, you're
No,
up first.
come on.
And then Jesse.
Yep.
Jesse, don't go anywhere. I got a donut for you. He can wait till we're ready. Right? How do you want to do this?
No, he can't.
No, please. No.
Are you kidding?
No.
He's been waiting 2.5 weeks.
No, then he
What?
can wait. He can wait 5 more minutes.
He's right here.
Chris, that one. Oh. No one cares about the rules.
Talking about it in another 2 weeks, and I still want to make you donut.
Just wanted to make you a real nice
Those will
one.
be plain. Leave those ones plain. Burned?
No, my mouth.
Your mouth?
Yeah, that's what you get. See, I didn't want you to eat it because
Ow.
it's too hot,
It's
Chris.
amazing how hot they stay for so long.
We just care.
Another way that we know that they're well proofed and not overproofed. I mean, by the end, they're maybe
To the bench.
literally in the middle of saying. Yeah, Delaney.
Delaney.
Can I arrange differently for the beauties then? Because I want to do. Now I think it looks great. And then
Oh
a
yeah, you
little-
nailed it. You totally tied this room together.
Thank you, Brad. Believe me, that did something.
No, absolutely.
I can't reveal too much about my process, and don't question my methods. Anyway,
Anyway, I think this was a great success. We have some sourdoughnuts that work. No added commercial yeast. This is all just some starter that was fed and then turned into dough. It was actually quite steppy, as we all found out. This is perfect. I'm going to cut this one.
no, I like this one because of the ring.
Okay. You know, you pick your battles. Yeah, nice. Way different than the ones that didn't work,
Yeah.
remember? Ooh, it's a nice
How small are these bites?
A bite size.
This is what I like about East donuts. When you do this,
Oh, hey, Jesse. I promised you a donut if you
pull
want to
them
try one.
apart?
I would love to hear your thoughts. All right, Jesse, you can have a whole one to yourself because you earned it, and I promised you one last time, and we failed
Okay.
you. So pick one that you like. Let
I
me explain.
recommend a cinnamon sugar.
Cinnamon sugar?
You can make your own choice. Cinnamon sugar.
For what it's
All right,
worth.
Cinnamon, sugar, cocoa powder, and espresso powder. Honey and apple cider vinegar. And some of them are maple syrup, but we kind of lost track.
So I'm gonna go with my friend Claire's choice.
All right, fine, that's great. Here, let me get you a plate.
Oh my! What are you making?
Here, paper towel.
They're just so light,
Light.
so pillowy. Like,
Yeah, you can almost even go with like a savory topping. Like if there was no cinnamon and sugar on that, and I cut it in half and put like ham and cheese on it, wouldn't be upset,
I wouldn't be mad at that.
right?
No, that'd be cute. Yeah.
That'd
No,
be
but
cute.
it's-
Did you say it would be
yeah,
cute
it would
as
be
hell?
It'd be
Yeah.
cute as hell.
Great. Well, I think that was. Oh, Rodaboon. Can I cut you a piece of donut?
Yes.
Rodaboon, hardest working woman in showbiz.
I don't.
So
you're
the
good,
glaze
right?
on that-
Hansi, I don't need to. Can I? You're good, right?
All right, bye, Claire. Thanks.
No.
had
I don't
fun,
mean I'm
too.
done. I'm just saying I'm busy at the moment.
Love it.
Thanks,
Great
Rhoda.
job.
Oh, this is great. Well, I'm really glad that worked because I don't know if I could have taken the failure on that one. You know, we've had it, but that's cooking, especially fermentation. You know, things go wrong, things happen, and then you learn from them, adjust, and then you get home runs right here. Derby, baby.
And if we didn't serve donuts to this test kitchen, there was going to be a mutiny,
Or if we didn't deliver a video, I probably would have gotten it.
or that.
Yeah,
We would have had to go buy donuts. Can I try a little piece of maple?
if you can find it.
I like the extra sweetness on the outside.
He wants it
Yeah.
to be a.
This is the best one.
It's very good. Could even have gone another coat.
It's so good. Look at that great texture, interior. Can I show you another sign that these were well proof? So this is a plain one. You can see that it has a nice dry exterior, and if it's overproof, it tends to absorb a lot of oil and get really greasy, but this is not greasy. Like if I squeeze it,
Right.
oil doesn't come out. So I did not get to try Chris Morocco's famous Donut,
Uh-huh.
which is a yogurt cake donut, which looked amazing. But what I generally prefer about yeasted donuts versus cake is that I think a well-made yeast donut eats lighter than a cake donut, which I
Right.
really like. But what's great about sourdough donuts is that the sourdough is sort of like a natural preservative. Like it keeps the donuts like
Fresh
moist.
in a way,
Yeah,
yeah.
like they'll last a long time after frying, which is not something you really get with donuts.
Those cake donuts, they go to hell quick.
Yeah.
And they just feel a little more special. It's like you're almost like eating like more of a treat. Like it's more of a pastry than it is just like
Yes.
fried bread
Right,
or like
totally.
cake.
Right. Yeah, call it brioche. Then it's like fancy.
All right, Chris.
I think try the maple. Try the maple.
Chris, you can have whatever you want. Remember that.
I want what Claire wants me to have.
Oh, Christ.
Exactly.
But you do here. I'll
Why
cut you a
do
little bit.
cut so small? Just
Well,
eat
he
the whole
wants us to
piece.
nibble.
I personally find a shitty cake donut to be vastly superior to a shitty yeast donut.
But what about a good yeast donut?
But a good yeast donut like this, that's pretty hard to argue with.
Wait, I was only out for like 30 minutes.
Oh, Gabby, come on
Jesus.
over,
Hey,
come on
Gabby,
over.
you want a donut?
I really should say no.
Wait, Gabby, you come over here being like,
It's the most Gabby thing
implying
I've
you
ever
want a
heard.
donut, and then we're like, Gabby, would you like one? And you're like, well, I
course I
really
want
shouldn't. I'm
Oh my
feeling
God.
Oh, a
faint.
little quick protein
Oh.
snack?
With a side of steak.
Oh,
May
this
I?
is exactly what we needed. Hold on.
Wait, hold
Out of the
on.
way, chocolate. Yeah, nice little savory.
Chris,
Boom, boom, boom.
Oh my god, this is so good.
so good. Squirt
Oh.
steak is the best steak there is.
If you don't do that, you are a
This
fool.
is-
How good is that?
What's your like?
The top brioche.
Brad, the next
It
thing
doesn't even taste savory.
the
at
next thing
all.
I eat
it's
has
a plain
to be
donut.
something green. Hold on, but do you do this?
Yeah, dip it in there. All right, see, you're in.
I like where she's going.
Oh my God, that looks so good.
I mean, what's not to like?
How freaking awesome is that?
It's pretty good. This whole day's off the rails.
No, this is great. This is a home run, Claire.
I just ate a piece of donut with steak on it.
Yeah, things are working out
It
for
was
you.
good.
Great. Well, Claire, that was a lot of fun. We made some sourdough donuts successfully. Super easy to make once you get it all dialed in.
Thank you for your dedication to this project and basically doing all the work, and I just showed up.
You were a guest.
I was a
You don't invite someone
spiritual
over.
guide.
I feel like I was pulling you out of the like dark hole more than
What?
you. Yeah, that last shoot, the one where our
I
donuts
don't remember.
bumped into.
I don't remember it that way.
You were having a,
Go
you
to
were
the
having
footage.
a rough time with like life that day.
Probably.
It's fine. We all have that, and that's why we make donuts.
Yeah. Thank God for donuts.
Hunzy, you get out of here because the reason why this didn't work last time is because you had to go catch an airplane.
Don't blame Hunzy.
It was really poor planning on his end.
Where are you going? All right.
Yeah, sucks being him, huh? Should have been producer.
Take a donut
Well,
with
no,
you
he's
on
not
the plane.
Producer. I got. What are you now? Camera operated director?
Take a donut in like a little half pint so it doesn't get smushed.
Oh yeah, here. Put
Here we are,
that on your. Bring that on your airplane. No one's gonna be mad if you bring a fresh made donut
Wait,
onto
you
an
pulling
airplane.
a fresh donut out of one of these?
Yeah, you're doing all right.
Which
Which
one
do
you
you
want?
bud?
The maple, 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 maple.
Good luck finding it. You're gonna get. It's either gonna be maple or honey. Oop. That was maple.
Can you don't care, right?
My nose touched it.
Oh my God,
That
it's
looks so cute.
perfect and cute. My god.
All right, we'll send them off to
it's
school.
Such a pretty donut, also.
Just for you, bud. Ciao for now.
I'm really excited for you for later.
Thank you. I'm really glad this worked out. And sourdough donuts with half sour herself. Bon Appétit. That name really stuck, huh?
Sure did.
Half sour. They put that on a shirt.
Yep.
Oh, Bruce. Yeah,
Bruce.
big Bruce.
Oh my god, do I love Bruce Springsteen.
Yeah, he's the best, man.
Just so much.
Still going hard. New album out, too.
I know.
Wish I knew the name of it. I would do a Bruce plug, and maybe he would send me a ticket to his show.
I'll fight you for the ticket.
Really?
Can we
Let's
go together?
Get him on.
Yeah, I don't think Bruce is gonna.
No, Bruce cares. He's the man of the people, Claire.
I know.
And I'm from New Jersey too. Asbury. Come on, babe.
Really.
That's how we'll get some numbers.
There's nobody better than Bruce. I have a question.
Yep.
If I wanted to replace my kitchen counters with stainless steel, but I don't want to pay a lot of money, and I don't.
You're
and
one
I,
of those.
And I don't want
I
to.
want nice things, but I want the cost IKEA prices.
Yeah. Can you put sheet metal over the counters?
Yeah, it's kind of it sounds like a pain in the ass. You need someone to fabricate you.
Damn it.
Like, there's different grades of stainless steel, and there's
Wait, never mind. You know what? Never mind. It wasn't an easy answer.
Well, no, I was about to be, and right in